So today we are going to identify the material density, right?
Yeah.
So we will have the curious questions that this material will float or not, and we are going to identify which material has the higher density and which material has a low density. When we put this material in the water or in the syrup, we will see the material will float or not. So when the material will when we mix the material in the water and when they will bind together like this, let's see, this is the material, these are the blocks, and when we will bind together like this, so one material and then second material, they bind together, that means this material has a high density. Okay, and let's see, when we'll put the some material in the fluid, and this material will go far away, they are far away from each other and scattered all over the inside the fluid, that means this material has the lower density, right?
Yeah.
So now you understand.
Yeah.
So let's get started our experiment, and then after the experiment the kids will learn about the density. Okay, let's go. Okay, so
What?
we got the corn
Can you
syrup,
go
and
here?
then we got the water. So now we have the lots of material. It got, so Sean is going to put not one by one, put one by one in the syrup. Yeah, put it one by one. Yeah, good job. Yeah. So we got these sand, and we got the few materials in it. So we are going to put. So look, as you can see, now put it here. Now put one by one in. Now put it here.
Huh?
You also put it here.
No.
Okay, that's it. So as you can see, this is a corn syrup is so viscous, and this is a water is not viscous. So which substance has more density, this one or this one, A or B?
Both. No, you'll have to answer it.
You have to answer it. Which is more dense? Which is more dense?
I don't know what's that. We don't.
Okay, so
You didn't listen. I listened. So then why? How come you?
so
don't
as
know?
you can see
It's
here,
a long time
as you can see here, look, this is corn syrup is more dense. It's not. It's coming out slowly. Look, it's coming out slowly. But if we pour the water will be, as you can see. Okay, let's check it out. Look,
Let me do
it's viscous. It's viscous, right?
I want to do it. No, you already did.
Okay, so look, this is more dense. Now I'll pour the little water, and then the water is coming.
What's that poop?
Look, it's coming, right? So quickly. So this is less dense, and this is
More than.
so this is more dense. Perfect. Now, as you can see, we put these beads here, and then it's not going down. Is it going down?
No. That's the small one. Don't go down.
It's going down.
This one?
Look,
Yeah, the small
you put.
one. The small bead.
Look, yeah.
These should go.
Yeah. Put some on inside the water, and then check it.
Put off.
Yeah.
Wait, why did they keep them?
Yeah. Look.
I put off. They're all sinking on the ground.
Yeah. They are sinking on the ground.
How about this bead?
Yeah. Okay.
Everything is sinking.
So
Because water is liquid. Up.
yeah, water is less dense. Look, I'm gonna put these all in the water.
Now you gotta mix it until it goes down. Everything goes down, Sean. This is so much. I just put everything. Yeah.
Here you go. That's yours. And then shake it. Sure.
Sean, put it on and then shake it hard.
Shake it hard.
See, like this.
Shake it.
And then Sean,
Shake it well.
how have to do super tight. It's okay. It's okay.
Okay, shake it well. Shake it well.
Okay. Oh, hey, I want to do it. Hey! Let go.
Okay, now Sean shaked very well. He danced actually. Yeah, but
Dancing.
let's observe whose material has a great density, low density, and whose material has a less density. So as we can see, those materials, those yellow sand, they are quite close to each other, and so they have the higher density. But those the bigger beads, they are far from each other, so they have the less density, right? And now we can see here. Look, the yellow in the water. Water is non-viscous, and look, all the yellow ones are close to each other. All right. Yeah. So in this way, you can identify the density of the material. Now we got the few things, and then we are going to identify it is sink or float. All right.
How do we know if it's He
So,
got it.
so we got the paper first. So we got
What's this? This one here. I have something we can sing.
okay.
I got something. It's a trap. Oh yeah. It's just a
Okay, let's see. We got the paper. Let's see, it's going to sink or float. What do you think? Sink?
No, float.
Sit down.
Yeah, don't float. It's actually float. Let's go.
Okay, let's see. It's going to float or sink? 1, 2, 3.
Sink.
Oh,
Sink.
Let's see, it's going to float or sink.
Sink. I knew it was sinky.
It's synced.
Is
Not really.
yeah.
Yeah, synced.
Okay. Now this is a styrofoam. Sit down.
Hey,
Sit down.
stop.
Yeah, you can put it. Yeah.
Pin this.
Put it in there in the water. Whoa, it's float.
I knew it.
I didn't find it, but I found
Okay,
it.
yeah, put it here. Come this side.
See this?
Come this side.
So now I got this. Little cool that. Now let's. Yeah, it's
Let's see.
floating.
Let's observe. Let's observe first. It's going to sink or float.
What's this?
You put.
What's this?
Okay.
It's in there.
So now I have this styrofoam, and then Sean is going to put. Then we'll observe. It's going to
Go in there,
sink or float. What is that?
It's float.
It's float. Wow. I got this one. What is this?
I'm gonna get this.
What is this?
Paper clip.
What is this?
Paper clip.
Paper clip. So what do you think? It's going to sink or float? It's going to sink or float? Oh.
My sink.
Yeah, this is sink.
Look what I got. The ball.
Yeah, let's see. The ball
I
got.
got the ball.
I
Let's put it.
Kids are so excited.
It
And
floats.
it's a floating. So a lot of things are floating and sinking, as you can see.
It's
Those who
floating.
have a high density, they are on the bottom, and those who have a less density or less mass, they are sinking.
I'm gonna try this.
Okay, I have this one. What is this? I have this pin.
Hey!
I have this pin. Let's see. It is going to float. Oh, this is float. What do you think? This is going to float or sink?
I'm gonna put it.
Okay, right there.
Okay.
Is
Sink.
sink.
I got something new. Little flower.
Yeah. Let's see. But you need to observe. Okay, you need to observe.
This big one is blocking.
I know this big one is blocking.
So it floated.
So what do you think? This is. Oh, look at it. It's sink.
So first it was on the up and then it got
Yeah.
down.
Hmm.
So it's sank.
Oh, it's float on the water.
I love this activity.
Ooh, look at that.
Poopy.
This is so big.
Anyone like this activity?
I like it.
I'm gonna do that.
Okay, what do you think? What do you think this is? What is this?
A nutty.
What is this? Show it to the camera.
It's a nut. Okay. It seems like a banana.
It's a cardamom. It will sink or float. Let's see. Float. Yeah, Sean is right.
I can see a little. I can see tiny bubbles.
Right. Look at that. So as we can see, most of the
I see bubbles.
I got something that will really work. I got coins.
oh yeah.
Can you give me one?
No.
We got the
I
coin.
So let's see the small one first.
Okay. So we got the coin and yeah, it's sink or float.
It sank.
Sink. You need to first observe. You need to first identify whether it will be sink or float. So,
I found this.
so what do you
I found
think?
this.
This coin will play sink or float? What do you think this
Mama,
coin
It will
will?
float. It will sink.
Sean, your turn.
It will sink.
What do you think this coin will be float or sink?
It will sink.
Sink.
Sink? I think it's float.
Sink.
Float.
Sink.
Float.
Sink.
Okay, let's see. 1, 2, 3. You're right.
Fun there. What is going on?
All right, so yeah, so most of the things they are floating and most things they are sinking. So this activity, kids observe which material is floating and which material is sinking, right? Sean, do you know that?
Yeah.
Now?
Poop it.
Okay then. All right, so yeah, let's go. Thank you so much.
Wait, not yet. I got one little thing.
Okay,
I
so
got a small.
so Sean,
I got a small.
so Aryan got the small sprinkle. But I'm going to ask question to the Sean and Aryan that what do you think this
Which one mine?
this
one.
small material is going to float or sink?
It's gonna. Hello.
Float?
Yeah.
Sean, yours is float, right? Brother said sink.
I don't know.
Brother said float. What do you think?
Floaty? No, I think sink.
Sink. So both are saying sink.
No, I'm saying float. He's saying sink.
No.
How
Float.
about
I'm saying float and sink.
Okay, no. You have to
only
choose
one.
the only one. What do you think? This heart shape is going to float. Okay,
Float.
I'm saying float.
Float.
And let's see is going to sink
Sink.
and float.
Sink or float?
Oh!
No.
Sink.
I knew it.
Float first.
Sink.
No, I
Yeah.
said.
So I hope you liked this video.
Alright guys, so today we learned about which thing is float and which thing is sink. So yeah, you can, it's a great activity and you can do with your kids with a fun way, and then in this way kids will learn the lots of
Here's my sticker.
scientific things.
So all you need is a cup of water and put some item to see if it sinks or
Yeah,
floats.
you can choose
Just
whatever.
like Glipply. You
you-
put some item.
So you can choose
Hey,
whatever
come
you
on,
like.
just drop in there.
Alright guys, I hope you had a fun and then we also got this thing.
This is
That
mine.
one's yours.
So
Where's
this is
mine?
a lot of things have a low density and lot of things have a high density.
Over, this is mine because I have the black one.
Okay, bye guys.
Bye. Have a great day.